presenter of Group 2 and we discuss the point of sale or the POS. By the way, I am Angelica.
I'm Laika Page.
And I am Kirsten. I am Jennifer.
And I am Jemalyn. And I am Almami.
POS or point of sale. What are the key attributes of point of sale system software? Depicts point of sale POS system software with key attributes, which can be beneficial for retailers who want to boost their customer base. It includes details about managing customers, performance management, inventory management, and sales report. There are four attributes of POS. First is the managing customers, provides analytics purchase behavior for understanding customer preferences, increase customer management, conversion, and loyalty. Second is the performance management, keeps the track of working hours, sales, extra efforts laid down by employees along with leaderboard. This helps in performance improvement of employees by 54%. Third is inventory management, helps to determine which product is having stock excess or deficiency along with forecast of order due. This helps in improving the stock management process by adding 34% efficiency. The last is the sales report, creates automated monthly reports for decision making, and it improves the lead management process by converts customer 5 times faster. So, what is point of sale? Point of sale are also called POS or checkout. During computerization later, becoming electronic point of sale or EPOS. This is the place where a retail transaction is completed. It is the point at which a customer makes a payment to the merchant in exchange for goods or services. At the point of sale, the retailer would calculate the amount owed by the customer and provide options for the customer to make payment. The merchant will also normally issue a receipt for that transaction. So this is the example of point of sale. When you go to the supermarket, you can see this as an example. When you are paying the groceries you buy at the supermarket.
Why use point of sale? One of the local points of the retail or hospitality business is the cash register. The ability to process transactions and tender cash are essential to the efficient operations of the enterprise. If you have a lot of cash transactions, replacing the cash registers with a point of sale or POS system to save you money. A POS system, computer software, and hardware network together to track sales and inventory as they occur. POS system will solve a multitude of problems in your business. A POS system is important because it gathers all your data on sales, inventory, and customers. With this information, you can calculate and run marketing campaigns that encourage customers to come to your store while maintaining your bottom line.
Benefits of using point of sale. Efficient transaction processing. Most POS systems are just very sophisticated cash registers. A good POS system will cut down or even eliminate any human errors that occur in merchant processing of transactions. For example, most restaurants that do not use POS systems are susceptible to the risk of orders errors due to the poor communication between waiters and kitchen staff. Some retail stores have separate terminals for sales, computation, and credit card processing. A good POS system can fix these problems, cutting down on employee error and make communication between different parts of the business much easier.
Vendor record keeping. POS system standardize the permanent recording of transactions, keeping a record of daily sales that is organized and easy to understand. This can be available to service business, like restaurants, which rely on precise records like calculating dates for employee tax information. A POS system records every relevant piece of information about a transaction. The employee who can complete the amount and the items of service purchased. Recording daily sales in a POS system is essential for financial tracking, inventory management, customer insight, sites, performance evaluation, compliance, and reporting purposes. It helps business understand their financial health, optimize operational and cost reporting.
Benefits of using point of sale. Effective use of information. POS system allow a business to use information most effectively. For example, most POS system have a reporting function where a business owner can generate a list of sales by category, by date or by employee for any given time period. If your business is deciding whether or not to place an order for a certain product, you can obtain a detailed outline of all past sales information. This is an example of reporting function. Benefits of using point of sale cost savings. The chief reason most businesses choose to purchase a POS system is cost savings. If you are keeping track of your inventory, saving time on computer-generated reports and targeting those key customers that spend the most, you'll increase your business economics. A good POS system makes it difficult for employees to give unwarranted discounts or free merchandise away because inventory is better controlled. Problems with security or inventory control can be addressed sooner and more specifically, and you'll also be able to make day-to-day business decisions based on your data. Easy savings.
This is the loyalty card. When you buy a loyalty card at the supermarket, it's a smart investment that pays off in discounts and rewards. With each purchase, you accumulate points or receive discounts, which can add up to significant savings over time. Plus, the convenience of a punch card in the POS system means you never miss out on earning rewards for your purchases. This is the example.